How to play Brawl Stars on PC without emulator. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's get right into this tutorial. If you want to play your Brawl Stars on your PC without emulator, you can check out a website that deals with such a version. However, we strongly do not recommend you for privacy and safety reasons. As Brawl Stars especially is designed to play on your mobile device, you will not be able to play it without an emulator. So you can use emulator which is verified such as BlueStack. You can easily install it by visiting bluestack.com, then just install the emulator. You will see an interface similar to your Play Store. Now you can search for your Brawl Stars on it. You'll be able to install it without any additional charge. Once it is installed successfully, you'll be able to play your Brawl Stars on PC without any hassle. Isn't it simple? It is better to be safe than sorry, so make sure to always rely on a reliable source and do not check out or indulge yourself in any suspicious website that claims mobile game for PC without an emulator. We hope that you found this video informative to you, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.